Good morning. We're out for a little ride, just a local one this morning. Sunday morning, a little bit blustery, dry for now, so yeah, just turning the legs and a bit of a catch up on this typical autumnal morning. So I'm out on the giant Fastroad. This is the one I use for me work commute mostly these days. Yeah, it's a bit blustery, but hopefully that'll keep the showers at bay, which I've had a couple. Yeah, looking very autumnal in here, beautiful. But I can't, with all that amount of leaves down, you can't define the path properly. We'll just wing it as per. Go this way. Yeah, there's a few wet spots like here. And a few trees you've got to avoid hitting with your head. And some steps that I can not ride up, so I will have to carry up. Yeah, so trips have been sort of put on hold for now. A lot going on, so hopefully things are going to start to settle down, and you never know, we might get out on a short one, but I don't want to give it the kiss of death. Just go with the flow. But as always, just great to be out. A bit of off-roading. It's not too busy this morning. A couple of walkers and dog walkers and stuff, but yeah, for a Sunday it's not too bad. Yeah, so usually I go left down there, but the road has been closed for months, and it's closed till at least December, which isn't good for me, is it? Because that avoids a traffic route, so this is a bit of a busier road. Not so bad this morning, but yeah, we're just crossing over the old railway. This is the old Waverley route. I think that's the old station house. Obviously the railway went that way. Yeah. And I think if you look to the left, there's an old signal box. I think it was rebuilt. You can just see it there. I've converted it. Right. Onwards. Yeah. The blight of the countryside. New builds everywhere. Obsessed with knocking new houses upon them. This way, at least it's been re-tarmacked, so it's a decent surface. Yeah, as I said, I've given the giant Fastroad a bit of a run out. I use this mostly for work these days. It's alright for lightweight sort of bike packing trips, but anything that's got to carry a bit of weight, it was just I felt it was just a little bit too much for it. But you know, it's still a decent bike. And I got this cheap one. I carry spare tube, power bank. So yeah, the tube will get us home, and a little pump just on the side there. Right, sort of brighter that way, but west doesn't look too clever, so I'm sort of heading just a big loop back home, and hopefully I get back before we get a soaking, which is the usual. But hey, it's just good to be out. So this is the old line side railway station, and the railway down there, and this is the path we normally go on, but not today. And that takes you to Longtown, but we're going to head towards Rockcliffe, NCN7. Got some lovely colours popping through. Beautiful time of the year, isn't it? Yeah, this is a lovely tree-lined section. Beautiful. Would have been nicer if the old sun was out, but hey, it's dry. Can't have it all. But yeah, this is a lovely section. Indeed. So this was the old slip road. It used to lead down to the A74 as it was then. It was just a dual carriageway, but now they motorwayed it, so you can't get on anymore. And I think this is still classed as the M6 till you get to Gretna, which is that way, south that way. Looking good for getting over. Here we go, the old finger post sign. Beautiful. The only downside at the moment is I've got a headwind back home. Still no rain, so no complaints, because the forecast was for rain. Oh, just see the River Eden out to the Solway. Okay, gonna close it out here. It's just a ride out and a chat, just a catch up. Don't know when I'll be out on a trip. Obviously the months are creeping rapidly towards winter and the dark nights start as of next weekend. So yeah, daylight hours will be limited. But you know us, we'll be out and about, even only for a short trip. See you sometime soon, hopefully.